Welcome friends. In this video I am going to do technical and fundamental analysis of Stratx token, and definitely I will tell you my next immediate short-term targets, my next long duration targets, and my next medium duration target for this token. So please watch this video complete, and please subscribe my YouTube channel, join my Telegram channel for more informative content and very useful information. Links are in this video's description, and please thumbs up the like button right now for the motivation. This is CoinGecko page of Stratx, and it is currently trading at $1.47 and price decrease 8.3% in 24 hours. Current rank of this token is 253. Market cap of this token is 148 million. 24-hour trading volume of this token is 2.5 million. And circulating supply of this token is 100 million, and maximum supply of this token is 128 million. This is the website. Just click on this button. This will lead you to the website. This is the website. Please do attention on this. Do your own research before investing in any coin, in any token. I will not responsible for your investment, because cryptocurrency is very risky, and I am not a financial advisor. This video is just for informational purpose only. You can visit this website and you can read this project at your own, and after that you can take risk at your own. This is the website, and you can see some big names on there, and these are service partners and very big names. And this is the website. Let's dive into the fundamental events, fundamental analysis. On 31 March or before 31 March, Stratx system contracts. Stratx system contracts coming end of March that adds smart contract support to the Bitcoin base Stratx mainnet. This is main event, and it is going to convert it into Stratx. Previously it was Stratx, and now it is Stratx mainnet. It is going to convert in Stratx mainnet. And let's dive into the content. Let me please show you some statistics. In 1 year, this token gives 490% profit to its holders. Market cap dominance of this token is 0.01, and all-time high of this token was on January 8, 2028. The price was $22, and it was 3 years ago. All-time low of this token was 0.0111, and it was on August 12, 2016. And this token is available on these exchanges, Binance and Bittrex. If you want to buy this token from Binance Exchange, then please go to in this video's description where you can get this link of Binance Exchange. Just click on this link and create your account. It will take only 30 seconds. And if you want to collect some small cap coins, then you have to open Hotbit Exchange account. This is the link. And if you want to open a leverage trade account, then this is the link of Bybit Exchange. Just click on this link and create your account within 30 seconds. Let's dive into the chart, and let me please show you my next targets, immediate short-term targets. I will show you both charts, and I will tell you both kind of targets. Stratx with USD pair and Stratx with BTC pair. I will show you both charts. I will show you how much profit you can gain from this token, from this coin, and where is the entry point and where is the exit point, and what is the expectation and what is the exit strategy. I will tell you these things in this video. This is Stratx US dollar 4-hour Binance chart, and it was rejected from this zone $2.4. And currently it is at $1.46. Let me please show you all-time high on this chart and all-time low price of this chart. On this chart, let me please show you. Please thumbs up the like button for this effort. $26.90 was the highest price of this token on this chart of Binance, and 0.98 was the lowest price on this chart, and these green lines are support zones, and these red lines are resistance levels, you can note down these levels. And let me please show you my immediate short-term target for this token right now. So Trex is currently in this symmetrical triangle, and let me please tell you my first target. After the breakout, it should have to hit this zone. Let me please tell you my first target. $3.27 is our first target, and let me please tell you my second target. These both targets are immediate short-term target for this coin, and let me please show you, and let me please do this. $3.27 and $3.80, you can say. These are our immediate short-term target for this token right now. And let me please convert this chart into the weekly chart. So in that way, I will. Here you can see it was rejected from that zone, and the date was 8 January 2028, and the price was 26.72, and after that you may see massive rejection, and now it is currently at the lowest zone of this on this chart. And once it breaks this zone, which is $2.4, then it should have to hit this target, 8.75. This is our target. Let me please show you how it is possible, because this is the horizontal resistance is at $2.4, and this is the support line which is at $0.98, and currently it is in this symmetrical triangle. Once it breaks this, these are immediate short-term targets. After that, our next target will be, because there is no resistance, you can see there is no resistance in this area. That is why once it break this resistance and break $2.5, and definitely then this will be the target. $8.6, and this will give you 484% profit. Once this coin break 2.4 or $2.5 and retest this zone, and after that it will go up to hit this zone, $8.6, 3.2, $3.8 and $8.6. These are the targets right now. And let me please tell you my next target. After hitting this zone, this coin can be hit this $10.3 and will give you 600% gain. And let me please tell you my other targets. These are medium duration targets. $10.4 is medium duration target. It can be hit within 3 months, within 4 months, or maybe within 5 to 6 months. And let me please tell you my long duration target. I think so. Definitely it should have to hit its all-time high again, and in that case it will give you 1700% gain. Yes, my friends, 1700% gain. But the main resistance is at $2.5. Once it breaks this resistance, then you can see there is no resistance. After that, price will have to hit $8.6 and will have to give you 480% profit. And after that, it should have to hit $10.52. And there are some resistances, 1, 2, 3, 4. There are just 4 resistance, because this coin is in very low phase, and I think this is the time. This is the time to grow. I think this coin will grow, and after that, definitely this coin should have to hit this zone. And if this happens, this coin will definitely will give you 1700% profit. This is the target of 2021 and maybe in 2022. Within one year, or maybe within 1.5 year, definitely this token have to hit this, and this is the targets. These are the targets. And let me please show you the BTC chart of this Satrax. This is the Satrax BTC pair, and let me please show you. Here you can see. Please focus. Here you can see. It was on 0.0016 at 22 January 2018. After that, you see a massive price down, and it is now currently is at 0.00002601. And let me please arrange this chart, and definitely after that I will tell you my next targets. Please friends, let me please convert it first into 4-hour chart, and after that I will show you weekly chart, and I will tell you my targets of this token in BTC pair. Here you can see this is the main support zone, which is at 2135 satoshis, and this is the main horizontal resistance, which is at 3539 satoshis, and you can say 3500 satoshi. And this is the main trend line, upside trend line. Once it breaks this upside trend line, then our first target will be 3500 satoshi, and our second target will be 3500 satoshi is our first target after breaking this. And once it breaks this, then definitely it will go to this, and 3500 satoshi is our first target, and after that 4800 satoshi will be our second target once it break this level, which is 2700 satoshi price level. And let me please tell you my first target. These are two targets, and let me please label on these targets. Once it break this zone, then once it break this upside trend line, our first target will be this 3500 satoshi, and our second target will be this zone 4800 satoshi. These are immediate short-term targets, and let me please tell you my third target. These are immediate targets. Maybe this target can be hit within a week or maybe within some days, but these are the targets, immediate short-term targets. Let me please arrange this. This is our third target, and this is at 0.00007525. You can say 7525 satoshis. 7525 satoshis is our third target. This is the main support box, you can say support zone, which is in between 650 satoshis to 1000 satoshis. This is the main support zone for this coin right now. Let me convert this token into this chart into weekly chart, and after that I will tell you my medium duration and long duration targets. Please friends, thumbs up the like button right now for this effort. I think this one can give you very much profit. I think so. I think so. This one definitely have to give you should have to give you maximum profit. Here you can see how much price is decreased, and let me please show you my medium duration targets. First let me please arrange this chart. It is currently is at 2587 satoshis, and our first target will be this zone. Once it break this zone, which is at 3500 satoshi, then our second target will be this zone, and which is 4800 satoshis, and our third target will be 7200 satoshis. And let me please tell you my medium duration target according to the BTC pair. In BTC pair right now, I think this is very realistic target. Once it break 3500 satoshis, then definitely it have to hit 25,000 satoshi and should have to give you 950% profit. And this is the target of maybe 6 months, I think so. After that, let me please tell you my second target. I think within 2021, this token can hit this target, 42,000 satoshi, and will give you 1600% profit. The main resistance is at 3500 satoshi. Once it break this, then upside rally will start for this token. And let me please tell you my last target. Once it break this zone, within I think 1.5 to 2 years, this token can give you this profit, 6,800% profit, and should have to hit its all-time high again. But this is not a medium duration target. This is the target of 1.5 year or maybe 2 years. This token can hit this target within 2 years. These are the targets. Please note down these targets. And if you trade these targets, then do your own research before entering in any kind of trade or before investing in any kind of token. You should have to do your own research. I will not responsible any of your loss. This video is just for informational purpose only. Thanks for the watching friend. Take care and please keep supporting me.